Hello.
Hi.
Hello, traveling for you.
Hello,
We
how
are here with one of our friends.
Yes, my name is Nika. Nice to meet you guys.
He's the expert in this place. We are taking us. Where are you taking
To
us?
the secret places of
Secret
Martvili.
place that no one knows. Yeah. If you don't have any local person or any tour guide, you will never find this place. We haven't seen it yet. Let's go and find out how beautiful it is.
Let's find out.
So that place belongs to whom? Is it the house?
No, it's how they protected by government.
Government.
Yeah,
Okay.
but right now it doesn't belong to anyone. Only government.
Okay. Okay.
But it
So
just
like-
happens that it's behind their house.
Eh. So look at this place. Is it these houses so lucky?
Daddy, Nika is in the lead.
Yeah, he's fast. Hello.
Hi.
Wow. Let's go there.
Yes, how come there's water here?
How come here? Are you okay, baby? You're fine? Okay, let's go in the water for a few minutes. Yeah? We'll spend here for like...
Yes, there is
Okay.
this 250 meters canyon there. It's like a cave.
We can a little bit go inside or no?
We can walk on there, climb there, and we can walk inside a little bit, but not all the way in. If you
Okay,
want to
okay.
swim, we can go for a swim.
Daddy, Nika's faster than you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. There is one canyon here. We can go inside. I don't think we can go inside very deep. Water is very cold, and this place only local people and come and swim here. What is the name of this place called?
It's called Balda Canyon. Balda.
What does it mean?
It's the village name.
Village name. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, the name of the village.
Yeah, name of the
Okay.
village, and the canyon is just
Same.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, then we were just. I don't know how deep is it that side.
It's 4 meters,
Yeah.
but it hasn't rained here for 30 days.
Ah,
Can you
okay.
imagine? So it's like
If
the water
it's
is
rain,
very
how
low.
is it like?
If it rains, it's like 6 meters sometimes.
6
So we
meters, yeah?
jump from the that little
Yeah.
stone.
Yeah.
I mean, not a little, but yeah.
Yeah. So you say in the winter it's covered and snow. How about
Yeah.
this water?
It never freezes. It never freezes. It's
Ah,
just
never
the snow.
freeze.
Yeah.
Ah.
We just have a lot of snow, and that's pretty much it.
Okay. You know what I was thinking before I come here? I was thinking that when I see this waterfall or water canyon, I would jump. This is my plan. But actually, the water is freezing cold. I can't swim like that. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, guys. I cannot jump in the water. It's very cold here. Right there is the canyon. I think we can go inside, but I'm not sure if it's safe or not. There's a lot of stone in the water. Make sure you need to wear sandal. Yeah. Without sandal, you can walk. I think this place, a lot of local people swim here. See, look at they wear bikini and they just jump into this freezing cold water. Oh, how lucky they are. So Nika,
Yeah. So the village is called Gachadili, right?
yeah.
And this is called Sakubari because the water, it has been built by hand. So it's
Ah,
not
okay.
natural, that place.
Okay,
This
okay.
is all natural. This is the
Uh-huh,
canyon. So,
uh-huh.
so people call it Gachadili Canyon.
Mhm.
Then Gachadili is the village name and the canyon is just a canyon. So that's why it's called.
This is amazing place, beautiful, and not many tourists can see here without local guide or local tour guide. It's really big down, big over there. Yeah, it's a big canyon, and then it is naturally, it is natural, not someone built this waterfall. Look at this, how beautiful is it? Normally, this place inside the village that you have to go inside. Some of the waterfalls are behind their private house, so you can't really like go there. You have to go in their property, open the door, and behind that. So we really have to go to their house, and you find the river. It's amazing.